Yes, hello, how are you doing? I just decided to record this little video to those that have problem with their Galaxy Note 8 with the screen going black and for some reason or no reason just don't want to get charged or don't want to start. Uh, I took my phone to Verizon and they told me they couldn't fix the problem. Their solution was, oh, you have yeah, you are available for an upgrade. And well, to make the story short, I went online and checked a video of somebody that posted that he used this charger, the magnetic charger, together with this charger, and I followed his instruction, plug it and unplug it, and in reality, nothing happened. Just the screen was showing Galaxy Note 8 and didn't do nothing else. But in my case, for example, that worked for him. But in my case, what worked, I pressed the power button and the volume down simultaneously at the same time, and it took me into the operating system of the phone. Gave him the option to reboot the phone. I pressed the side button that is supposed to work for this Bixby, not the volume button, the button that is right below it, and it selected the option of rebooting the phone. Immediately when it went back to a blue screen that apparently showed some updates that were being installed on the phone, and took me back to the operating system screen where it says it was giving me the option to reboot the system now. So that's what I click on, and as you see, the phone is working again. So I didn't have to upgrade my phone, and the phone is working fine so far. If you had the same problem, you might want to try that and go from there, because actually there's nothing else that I have seen so far that works. And Verizon is just gonna get you to get another phone, and you're gonna lose your data, you're gonna lose your phone, and they're gonna make more money. Okay, so that's it. Bye.